Let's talk about the first and the second derivative of a function. These both derivatives might be very useful for making decisions regarding the study of an original function, which can be, for example, the behavior of a measurement variable in a sensor, or even the time behavior of an economic indicator like the price of a ETF or something similar. Let's begin with the first derivative, and for doing so, let's consider the points in which the first derivative becomes zero. These points are shown now here with these black lines, and as you can see, in this range, the first derivative was always negative and the original function was always decreasing. So we can mark this area as a decreasing area of the function in which the first derivative is always negative, and we can derive when the first derivative is negative, the original function will decrease, and the contrary occurs when the first derivative is positive, then the original function will increase, as it occurs in this range of the function. And you can derive the behavior by itself in the following two parts, in which the first derivative is negative and positive by itself. So let's continue with the second derivative. Here we begin similar with as it was the case for the first derivative. So let's look at the points in which the second derivative becomes zero, and you can see here that in the original function it can be seen as so-called inflection points. Means in these points the curvature of the function changes, and in this area, for example, the second derivative is negative and the curvature of the function is negative, so we can mark this area with this sad smiley. So considering this area of the second derivative, you can see that the curvature of the function is positive, so we can mark this area with this positive smiley. And then we can do the same with the remaining range. Here again a second derivative with a negative value, and here with a sad smiley, and then the final range with a happy smiley. And that's it. I hope you like this video. I would appreciate your like and your subscription, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.